Keto stall. Now I get it. And let me tell you what I learned. I'm just a regular guy, eating what everyone else is eating. That led to obesity and out of control type 2 diabetes. Who's feeling like crap? This guy, me, until I stopped eating factory food. I completely reversed my type 2 diabetes and I'm losing weight. Join me on Primal Inspired Keto as we explore recipes and living just a little bit primal in this modern world. Well, hello, welcome back. I'm Mark Wheeler. This is Primal Inspired Keto. Let me kind of tell you where I've been with my whole keto lifestyle and some things that have happened and part of this exploration that I'm doing. I started a seasonings and spices business, organic seasoning spices, and I sell, I've discovered now I sell Redmond salt, which I think is terrific. It's good for you, and it's just overall good. There's a lot of reasons why you should use Redmond salt. And I guess where I kind of went into a keto stall was I was fitting into this whole meal plan of 3 meals a day, and I enjoyed the food, and portion control was certainly an issue. So I wasn't necessarily gaining weight, but I wasn't losing weight. So I guess that's the definition of a stall. I was doing everything right, and I'm not so much worried about counting the calories. But why do I eat 3 meals a day? Why do any of us eat 3 meals a day? And why do we do the things we do when it comes to eating and these habits that we're doing? And I've always been very curious, what is hunger? I know I can watch a commercial where I see something I like to eat, and like a robot, I'm like, ugh, I'm hungry. And you know, you think about food and you're hungry. Well, that's not really hunger. So I tried intermittent fasting. And what is intermittent fasting? Is it fasting intermittently? When do you want to really fast? I think I have that problem solved. And so I really took a hard look back at how we eat, the habits that we have when it comes to eating, when it's not just sustenance and it's more about the habits, the culture. 3 meals a day, we don't need to do that. Also eating every day, we don't necessarily need to do that either. So I kind of took a big step backwards, but it's been a good year. I was ravaged by yellow jackets from an underground hive. That was interesting. That was painful. I'm still completely cured from my type 2 diabetes. I have no type 2 diabetes anymore. No medications. No high blood pressure. No cholesterol issues. I had this like super comprehensive cholesterol panel done where they really took a hard look at it. Perfectly fine. Not that I sweat that too much. But I think I feel pretty good about where that is. I've always said we take so much dietary advice from people that don't need to lose weight, or skinny people. I'm a big fat old guy, big fat bald old guy that need to lose weight, need to get healthy. I've always been kind of this proportion, and I'm tired of it. So this is where I'm going. So I'm going to try to do a video a week, and I'll share recipes and share some of my ideas. And kind of talk about what I did to solve the keto stall. I'm about, I guess, 2 weeks into this new concept that I have on how I apply primal keto in what I do, and I think it's the answer. And it's the answer for me. And if it's one more thing you can try and make it easy, and make it effective, and still be functional and happy and healthy, how can you go wrong? So I look forward to recipes. I look forward to sharing some of my seasonings and techniques and some of the foods. I hope other people can give me feedback on how they're doing and the success or the challenges that they're having. And maybe as a community we can help work this stuff out. So, oh yeah, I almost forgot. Please subscribe, click the bell so you get notifications. There's going to be some great videos coming up, like I said, with recipes, and I'm going to talk more about my strategy for breaking out of the keto stall or the dietary stall and still eating great and still feeling great. So welcome back to Primal Inspired Keto. Thanks.